Hello everyone. So we're going to make our own third hand for soldering today. So I got some crocodile clips and some of these flexible tubes. These are actually used for coolant flow in CNC and lathe machines. And so you just got these off very cheap. So what we're going to do is take one of this. Okay, and we need to remove this top portion. So the easiest way is to use pliers. Hold it here, okay, and just press it. Use the lever action with the plier and just snap the top off. Okay, and I need this hole to be bigger to the size of this crocodile clip, and so I'm using a standard drill. I just increase the size of this hole. Alright. The excess material, and we just push and force this thing in through. I'm using a tiny screwdriver to open the screw, which is on the crocodile clip, and push it in further. Right. Now I'm going to make a small hole on the side where the screw hole was. Okay. So I'm using one of these micro drill bits that I found. Okay. Use my judgment and drill a small hole here. Be very careful while drilling. These are sharp bits. Okay. Mark that. This is soft plastic, so the screw will easily go through it without any trouble. Okay, so with a little bit of tweaking, I have made a hole on the side and put the screw through, and that holds pretty well. Just need to push this in back. So now I'm just going to put in some hot glue and reattach these inside. So I'm just going to put some hot glue and fix them in permanently. Not too much, because the tube needs to be attached to it still. So I have 4 of these ready with the crocodile clips on them, and now I need to prepare a base. So I've taken this old piece of plastic cover from somewhere. I'm just going to drill 4 holes in them. So this is my homemade third hand for a fraction of the cost that you get it online. And I've got 4 of these lubricant tubes fixed with crocodile clamps, and the base is just plastic, but if I feel that plastic is not the right choice because I'm going to do some soldering with it, maybe I'll get a piece of wood and screw them onto that. For now, I've put a lot of hot glue at the bottom to create a heavy base and something which just sticks on and doesn't move. Yeah, so that's my sturdy third hand which can hold a lot of weight. You can see that. Yeah, there's no problem. Thank you for watching.